Right. So when we are working on application support engineering, first of all, we must be knowing about the detailed flow of it. Application support engineering, where combination of mm, technical as well as deep dive into the analysis part. In that regard, so support engineering consists of multiple things. The first one about the incident reporting, because we use different monitoring tools. At the same time, we use different tools like Splunk, right? So all that stuff. So incident reporting is the first one, where users and as well as monitoring detects issues, creating tickets, everything will be part of it. Next, triage classification, where we need to support reviews, assigning and identifying what is the severity, priority of the team. So everything will be performed in that. The third about initial investigation, as well as troubleshooting, like we need to support and analyze what are the logs that are generated. At the same time, we also should replicate what are the different issues we have, uh, based upon the knowledge basis what we have, etc. So everything will be part of initial investigation and troubleshooting, all that. Next, about the deep analysis and root cause identification, we need to identify the sources. Either it can be queries that we have identified bugs and all, everything on the code. At the same time, configuration data issues, everything will be part of deep analysis and root cause identification. Next one about the resolution development, wherein fixing and as well as patching, right? So of developing, right? So at the same time, if there is any kind of code, right? So what are the changes? Because from I always advise some kind of technical coding knowledge will be additional advantage, so that we can write the code or it changes or any configuration updates, everything that we can do, so that bugs fixation can be done even here. At the same time, developer can also review and test it. Configuration, right? So data fixation, everything will be part of it. Is finally testing and validation, where we need to perform, will be involving more than performance. I say like will be involving in user accept test or unit testing, integration testing, by along with the testing team, so that user accept test testing, everything can be done. Finally, deployment of the product, including any pipeline or chain management, everything, so that we can do the release part. After release, next about the post deployment and monitoring. So because we have to monitor the system's health, uh, so that is more important. At the same time, we need to verify the resolutions, closing the tickets. Like we can use something like service management tools nowadays we are using. So service management tool is one thing which can be used even service now. Or else if it's not service now, we have even other service management tools also. We can use even that. Along with that, we need to have some strong knowledge over the tools like Grafana, Splunk, at the same time Dynatrace. All these tools, hands-on experience is always advisable, is always required. Finally, feedbacking loop and improvement, so that we can analyze the metrics, we can update the documentations. If there is any improvement in systematic improvements are required, so those can be identified. Everything can be done. So these are all understanding over the end-to-end application support engineering. When we are learning, all these were important. This is what something that we learn.